Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start now. Check that your Mac and iPhone are powered and macOS supports Finder device backups. Connect the iPhone with a reliable cable, unlock it, and tap Trust when asked. This establishes the secure link. Once done, open a Finder window and look under Locations for your device name. Make sure to allow any system prompts on the Mac. They grant permission to access backups. You're setting the stage quickly so the next steps can locate the backup files directly. Once your device appears in Finder, you can find the actual backup files in the Mobile Sync folder. Use Finder's Go to Folder and paste the path /library/application support/mobile sync/backup/ to jump straight there. Alternatively, in Terminal run open /library/application /support/mobile sync/backup/ to reveal the same folder in Finder. You'll see one or more UUID-named folders. These represent device backups. Finish by verifying the backup you found. Check its size and last modified date via Finder Info or run do.sh on the folder in Terminal so you know it's complete. To keep a safe copy, drag the backup folder to an external drive. To restore, open Finder, choose your device, click Manage Backups, then select Restore. If you don't see any backups, make sure you trusted the computer, that iCloud Backup isn't replacing local backups, and try rebooting both devices. This fix
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.